Hey everyone, this is Gloria with Luxy. I just wanted to hop on here and show you how to make a household cleaner. If you're like me and trying to keep your home somewhat clean during this time, and at the same time having a hard time finding regular household cleaners at your local store, just want to show you how I make one using things I have. And I've been using this for quite a while. It works well for me. So let's get started. First, you're just going to need a cup of water, then just a regular spray bottle. This one I found on Amazon. I'll link it down below. And some isopropyl alcohol. This people have been having a hard time finding in their stores, but the other trick is if you can't find isopropyl alcohol or rubbing alcohol in your store, you can use actually really cheap vodka. Just buy like the cheapest one you can at the liquor store. I know a lot of liquor stores are still open during this time. And so any vodka will do, so you may as well use the cheapest one you can find. So I'm just gonna pour the water in here. So I'm just using 1 cup of water, and I'm going to use 1 cup of the alcohol. Next up, I'm just grabbing a few essential oils. The ones I'm using today are peppermint and lemon. They're both pretty antibacterial on their own, plus they smell really great. So if you don't like the smell of rubbing alcohol throughout your house, and it does dissipate pretty quickly, but it smells really good and it's antibacterial, so I'm just gonna add a few drops in to make it more potent and better smelling. That's it. Just give your bottle a shake and it's ready to go. I've used this on countertops. I've used this on bathroom surfaces. I've used it on windows, mirrors, things like that all throughout my house. And we've used it for years and haven't had any problems with it. Hope this helps you out. See you soon. Thanks. Bye.